Hey, beautiful energy. Welcome back to your self-care moment. Today we are talking about hair falling out leading to baldness. Skin and body wellness is the perfect combination of health and beauty. Each video is based on scientific knowledge and practical tips explained in a simple and easy way. This channel is not just for watching, it helps you improve your lifestyle. Let's understand what's really happening. Why does hair falling out leading to baldness happen? Hair loss can be triggered by hormonal imbalance, especially DHT sensitivity, chronic stress, and high cortisol levels, poor scalp circulation, nutrient deficiencies like low iron or vitamin D, excessive heat styling or chemical treatments. Over time, hair follicles shrink, strands become thinner, growth slows down. Eventually, some follicles stop producing hair altogether. But supporting your scalp naturally can make a difference. Today's powerful home remedy: onion-infused coconut oil. Onion is rich in sulfur, which helps support keratin production, the key protein that builds strong hair. It may improve blood flow to follicles, reduce scalp inflammation, support thicker-looking hair, help maintain a healthy scalp environment. Coconut oil contains lauric acid that penetrates deep into the hair shaft. It helps reduce protein loss, strengthen strands, prevent breakage, deeply moisturize the scalp. When onion stimulates and coconut oil nourishes, you create a balanced scalp-supporting treatment. Now, let's start the remedy. What you need: 1 whole fresh onion, half a cup coconut oil, a small glass jar for storage. How to prepare the oil: 1. Peel and finely chop 1 whole onion. 2. Pour half a cup coconut oil into a pan. 3. Add the chopped onion directly into the coconut oil. 4. Heat on low flame and let it gently cook. 5. Stir occasionally until the onion pieces turn light brown. Do not burn them, low heat is important. 6. Turn off the heat and allow the oil to cool completely. 7. Strain the oil using a fine strainer or cloth. 8. Pour the infused oil into a clean small glass jar for storage. Store it in a cool, dry place. It can last up to 1 to 2 weeks. Now your onion-infused coconut oil is ready. How to use: apply directly to your scalp using fingertips. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes to boost circulation. Leave it on for at least 45 minutes, or overnight if comfortable. Wash with a mild shampoo. Use 2 times per week consistently for best results. Consistency is key. Simple hair care routine for better results. Avoid tight ponytails or braids. Reduce heat tools like flat irons and blow dryers. Eat protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, nuts, and beans. Stay hydrated. Manage stress through walking, stretching, or meditation. Healthy roots grow from a healthy lifestyle. If you found this helpful, don't just watch, take action. Like this video if you're choosing stronger roots. Subscribe to Skin and Body Wellness for simple, science-based beauty. Comment Root Revival if you're starting today. Your hair journey begins at the scalp. See you in your next self-care moment.